Hello children, welcome to Anupam Public School College channel. I am going to teach you EVS, subject is EVS for the class first, chapter number 2, My Body. This is a EVS book of the class first and chapter number 2, the title is My Body. So first of all, we'll sing, it is written here, sing this song in the class. Two little hands do, clap, clap, clap. Two little feet go, tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes are open wide. One little head goes side to side. Once again we'll repeat. Two little hands do, clap, clap, clap. Two little feet go, tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes are open wide. One little head goes side to side. Now, these are the parts of my body. My body means our body. Our parts of body, name of the parts of body. First eye, you can see a hair. Then eye, nose, ear, mouth, neck, shoulder, chest, elbow, hand. This is elbow and this is hand. Then shoulder and hand, shoulder, elbow and hand. All this include arm. Then stomach, thigh, next knee, then ankle and then foot. From thigh to foot, it includes what? Leg. Same from shoulder to hand, it includes arm. Now we will study step by step the functions of our parts of body. So first is, at the top of my body is the head. So what is the top of your body is head. The front side of my head is my face. Again, at the top of my body is the head. The front side of my head is my face. First, top of your body is head. Then the front side is of my head is what? Face. I have two eyes on my face. I can see the things around me with my eyes. You also have what? You have how many eyes? Two eyes on my face, on your face. I can see the things around me with my eyes. What is the process of eyes or function of eyes? That you can see everything around you, whatever around you in the environment you have. So I can see the things, you can see the things around me with my eyes. Means you can see things around you with your eyes. Now I have two ears on the sides of my head. How many ears? Two ears. Now what is the function of it? I can hear different sounds with my ears. So ears help to hear. Ears help to hear different sounds. Next, I have one nose. I can breathe and smell with my nose. I have how many nose? One nose. And I can breathe and smell with my nose. I have one mouth. I can talk and eat with my mouth. I have teeth inside my mouth. I bite my food with them. I also have a tongue. I can taste my food with my tongue. I have lips on my mouth. So I have one nose, I can breathe. This nose is help to breathe and smell. And then you have mouth help to talk and eat. Then teeth inside your mouth, you have teeth. It helps to bite food and you have a tongue. A tongue is used to taste food with, and I have lips on my mouth. You have lips on your mouth. Then I also have two cheeks. I also have two cheeks, one chin and one forehead. There is hair on the top of head. From the picture you can see that on the top, at the top of your body is what? Hair. Then forehead, cheek, two cheeks and one chin. Means you have two cheeks here, one chin, one forehead and the top there is hair. On the top of your head there is hair. Now activities, you can draw your face and name the parts. Here you can draw your face and also label it, write its name, write the name of the parts. Now I have two arms, each arm has a hand with 5 fingers. I write and color with them. I also use them when I work and play. I have nails on my fingers. I cut my nails with a nail cutter. I keep them clean. So children, you know that you also have nails and it should be neat and clean. You should cut your nails with your nail cutter and you should keep your nails clean. And then you can see in the figure about the hand is given. At the top, on the top you can say, or on the top fingers, then second is hand, upper shoulder, this is upper, then forearm and elbow. Now there is a pictures of the arm, then right, a boy is writing, right, a boy is drawing a picture, draw, eat, and next is carry. Now we will study about the legs. Now next is legs. I have 2 legs. I stand, walk, run and jump with my legs. Means with the help of the legs you can stand, walk, run and jump. Each leg has a thigh, knee, lower leg and foot. Each foot has 5 toes with toenails. I cut my toenails too and keep them clean. Now figure you can see leg. This is the figure of leg, thigh, knee, lower leg, toes and foot. Name the part. This is the parts in your body, in your leg, thigh, knee, lower leg, toes, foot. Now standing position, walk position, jump position and run position is shown in this figure. Now about the skin we will study. My whole body is covered with a thin layer of skin. It helps me to feel when something touches my body. Skin helps to feel it, and when something touches in your body you feel it. The eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin help me to know everything about my surroundings. So they are my sense organs. So what are the sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose and tongue and skin. These 5 sense organs help to know everything about your surroundings. Fingernails grow nearly 4 times faster than toenails. Means fingernails grow fast as comparing to toenails. Now figure, you can see picture here, eyes, ear, sense organs. These are the sense organs, eyes, ear, nose, skin and tongue. Points to remember: Our body has many different parts. They do a variety of work. We have 5 sense organs. Sense organ help us to know about our surroundings. Now, exercise. First, tick the correct options. Number 1. At the top of my body is the A. Shoulder, B. Neck, C. Head. So, your answer is, your option correct is head. Second, I have eyes. I have dash eyes on my face. So, how many eyes you have? 1, 2 or 3? Your correct option is what? 2. Now third, each arm has a hand with dash fingers. 3, 5, 7. Your correct option is 5. Each arm has a hand with 5 fingers. Here 2, here 5. Now, fourth, I can talk and eat with my mouth. With my mouth. Answer is mouth. Filling the blanks, I have 1 forehead. I have 1 forehead. I have 1 lips. I have teeth inside my mouth. I can hear with my ears. I can jump with my legs. My hand help me to write. Now tick the correct one and write the correct one and cross the wrong one. At the top of your body is the head. Yes, right. You can see the things with your ears. No, false. Wrong. We can breathe with our mouth. No. Wrong. Each arm has a hand with 2 fingers. Wrong. We run with our legs. With our legs. Right. Now D, match the following. Here the first column, you can see the figure, and in the second column, its activities or the parts of body is written. Means which activities we can do with these parts of the body. Leg is used to jump. Now eyes. Eyes is help us to see. Ear is used to hear. Tongue is used for taste, and hand is used to write. Now E, answer these questions. What sound do you like to hear with your ears? I like to hear different sounds with my ears. Which part of the body do you use to read a book? Second question, which part of the body do you use to read a book? Eyes. Answer is eyes. Eyes is used to read a book. Eyes is used to read a book. Third question, what work do you do with your mouth? I can talk, what work do you do with your mouth? We can talk and eat with our mouth. Next, how does your nose help you? Our nose help us to breathe and smell to breathe and smell. Name the 5 sense organs. The 5 sense organs are: first, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and mouth. The 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and mouth. How do your sense organs help you? Our sense organs help us to feel it, to know about our surroundings. Our sense organs help us to know about our surroundings. Our sense organs help us to know about our surroundings. Now, Hot's question: how will you help a friend who is blind? Write in points what all will you do. Discuss your answer in class. So this, if you have a friend who is blind, so what all points you will do? Write in points that what all will you do. Discuss your answer in class. If you have a blind person, if you see or you have a friend who is blind, so what you will do with him for help? This is your homework. You have to do yourselves, because this will be written your own views. Suppose you have how you will help a blind person, you have to write here. For example, I help my blind friend to cross the road. Second points you can write, I help in his studies and always motivating him. You can write your own ideas and views. So this, the questions E, answer these questions from 1 to 6. You have to write in a classwork copy, and also fill up your books, tick the correct options, and then filling the blanks and write wrong and match the column. Complete your, fill up your books. So thank you.